empowering document management with the Saudi digital signature. I'm Mohammed Hanande, a pre-sales consultant at Digination with over 9 years of experience in the IT sector, specializing in software development and a deep understanding of low-code and no-code technologies. We also have with us Mr. Wiam Bakfaloni, the VP of Sales and Customer Success at Signit company. He has over 15 years of experience in the IT field, specializing in sales and business development for enterprise solution. So let's take a quick look at the agenda for today's webinar. So we will start by providing a brief introduction to Digination company and Signit, and highlight our expertise in the field of digital solutions. After that, we will go into the solution details, where we will demonstrate how integrating Saudi digital signature with the document management system can bring significant benefits. Finally, we will answer any question that you may have. Feel free to send any inquiries you have. Just type your question in the chat, and we will address your queries during the last 15 minutes or during the session. So let's begin by introducing the profile of Digination and Signit. I hope you will grab a cup of coffee and stay with us. Digination is a leading Saudi company in the field of digital transformation, where we focus on providing cutting-edge technological solutions for both the public and the private sectors in Saudi Arabia. We are committed to supporting organizations in their digital transformation journey. Our headquarters in Riyadh, and we have 4 other main branches with over 14 years of experience in the market and a team of more than 100 professionals working in various technical fields. We support over 130 clients across the kingdom in achieving their digital transformation goals. So these achievements show our commitment to excellence and our ability to deliver effective solutions. So we are excited to continue growing and serving our clients. Now let's take a look at the range of solutions that Digination offers. So we offer a wide range of technologies, not limited to a single domain, but our primary focus is comprehensive or partial digital transformation initiatives. So we specialize in 7 main areas. First one, enterprise content management. So we support business in capturing and managing information effectively. Our services include automating the process, secure document management, and robust reporting and analytics. Also, we help convert physical backlog into digital formats, making data more accessible and manageable. Second area, business solution. So Digination offers powerful no-code and low-code tools, allowing you to build custom application without deep coding knowledge. And we focus on enhancing the digital experience through workflow automation and web portal. Additionally, we provide a business process automation to streamline your operations, and in data and integration, or information and integration. Our solution include business intelligence and seamless integration of application and data. And we also offer secure identity management through single sign-on and identity federation, along with eFax services. We have also AI solutions. So we provide AI solution like robotic process automation and intelligent chatbot. Video analytics is another area where we help businesses gain valuable insight and improve operations. In Digination, we offer expert consultation on digital transformation, strategy, and management. We assist with change management, process improvement, and provide training and development to help your team stay ahead. So our solutions are designed to empower your business with efficiency, security, and advanced digital capabilities. The question now, how can we address all these areas? And the answer by leveraging our partnership with numerous global vendors. So Digination collaborates with top technology partner to bring the best solution in ECM or enterprise content management. We work with Highland, and Highland providing OnBase and Alfresco platform. We have also ABI for OCR solution and Signit to manage document or sign on the document efficiently. For low-code and digital experience, we work with platforms such as Nintex, Liferay, OutSystem, and Cashflow, and these tools allow us to offer powerful user-friendly solutions for building applications and automating workflows with minimal coding. In the field of AI or artificial intelligence, our partnership with UiPath and Arabot enable us to integrate advanced AI capabilities into our solution, enhancing automation and customer engagement. In IoT and smart cities, we work with Tahaluf and iOmniscient to deliver smart city solutions that improve urban management and security. For information and integration, we collaborate with WSO2 Click to ensure seamless operation and insightful data analytics. We also partner with IdeaScale and OpenText WriteFacts to expand our range of solutions. So these partnerships help us provide the best tools and technologies to support your digital transformation. So for anyone interested in any of the technologies or product mentioned, we can work together to find solutions that support the digital transformation of your organization. We have a team also ready to connect with you or visiting you and discuss your needs at any time. This was just an introduction to the Digination company. I will now hand it over to Mr. Wiam to provide us with information about Signit and introduction to the goal of webinar.
Hello everyone, my name is Wiam. I'm the VP of Sales and Channel in Signit, and I will be happy to present to you a little bit of what Signit is doing today in the Saudi market. I know that we have multiple of our clients already here, so I'm happy to see you all guys. And after that, our colleague Muhammad will help us more into the demo and seeing the solution that we integrated and built together with Alfresco and Signit. So for you who doesn't know Signit, we are trying to push the digital transformation wheel going today in Saudi movement, especially in the Saudi vision of 2030, by digitizing all the agreement and contracting in the Saudi and helping companies transfer to a paperless operation and a paperless companies. What usually in general the digital signature help companies with is mostly we find three top areas that people trying to achieve with digital signature. First one is, as we said, supporting the digital transformation and fully automating the process of the companies. We noticed that a lot of the companies do 90% of their processes digitally and they stop at the signature and do it manually. And that will always stop and slow the process of the business that can be fully automated today with our technology. Second things, of course, is making sure of the integrity of the content and the data and the document that you are signing. That is something very important, especially for legal audience, because, you know, from legality perspective, you need to know that this person who signed the document is who we claim he is, and we do that by validating the personality by integrating with AppShare, with Nafad, and more than 5 different ways of validating the personality of the signers. Why we have all that kind of method or options? Just to give you the easy of multiple options as per your use case, and we will dig down into that more later on. What makes Signit different in the market than other solutions that offer similar things? As I said, we try to support every different use cases possible. So we have a very wide range of verification method. We verify through SMS, email, Active Directory, AppShare, Nafad, WhatsApp, even for international signer to cover everything. We are the first company to build our solution from scratch to support Arabic. And if you tried any international, maybe digital signature before, you will find a lot of troubles in signing Arabic document because usually this solution not made for Arabic language, while Signit was built from scratch in Saudi to support Arabic language. Lastly, we are laser focused on user experience. So you will find that our user experience is just getting better and better every time. We do a lot of stuff intentionally just to support the user experience. So I believe we are the only one today in the market that do signing without registration at all. So we don't enforce your signers to register with Signit to sign. We just get their identity from Nafad or AppShare and let them continue without collecting their data. And that, of course, will support your data protection laws, plus it will make the user experience much better. Plus, we support special use cases for international, for internal, and for external signers. So how Sign is built and what we exactly do. We do today mainly two main features, and we deploy it and distribute it in three different channels. So the two main features is signing digitally or electronically, and stamping digitally or electronically. As you know, we are trying to mimic whatever you do today manually, signing or on stamping, and we do that very easily with Signit. And how we offer the solution, we offer it the fastest and easiest way through our cloud, Saudi cloud deployment that will be immediately ready for any users who want to utilize the service. We have, I will not go very technical for our business users, but we have what we call API, which is an easy, very standardized way to integrate and link Signit to any other application. That what we did today with our partners, Digination, and with Alfresco, where we connected through Alfresco to our API, and Hananda will show you in a little bit how that will work. Finally, for our enterprise clients, we support a full on-prem platform. That means all your data will never leave your data center. Everything will be next to your other servers and your database. Just to imagine how Signit will work with Alfresco, this is a very easy diagram to show you how things will work. So as you see in the top corner of the left, we have Alfresco as our document management system. You will have usually any document there, and whenever the signer need to sign or send that document for signing, in just one click, the document will be automatically sent from Alfresco to Signit with all the content that we need. Who will sign it, how he will sign it, where exactly this document will be signed. Signit will handle the whole signing experience, will send the document to the signer through three different notification methods, which is email, SMS, and WhatsApp. Usually our business user and B2B user like email more. Our B2C and individual users like WhatsApp and SMS more. So they will receive a notification on that channels. They will access it, and then they will get a prompt to verify their identity. As I mentioned, we are the most versatile platform in identity management, and we offer today a lot of identity verification through email, SMS, WhatsApp, Active Directory, AppShare, Nafad, with all the different flavor of Nafad, like Nafad Biometric or Nafad app. We have all of that already ready and integrated to you. After the signer will verify their identity, we get their official name if they did it from Nafad, or we get the identity through the other channel. And we allow them to see the document because we consider the document confidential, so it's not allowed to see until they verify themselves. After they approve and sign all the document, and they can, but of course, not only signing, they can add a lot of fields. So they can add like date fields, their company, their names, ID, address, whatever you need. You can allow the user to fill all this data. And when they click sign and submit, when they finish the process, we will do something called digital sealing, which is locking the document. And we do that by integrating with NCDC, National Center for Digital Certificate, where we get a Saudi digital certificate for you lock the document with it, and that will validate the document for you later on. If any change happen with the document, we will know that there is a change, and if nothing happened, the court will know that this document is still valid. And by the way, just another things, the court in Saudi today all understand the digital signature and recognize it, so that will make your life much easier whenever you need that document, God forbid, in the courts. So that's it in general on how Signit works. I'm seeing a lot of questions, so I believe we will leave it till the end of the session, because many of that question will be answered by the demo that Mohammed will just show us afterward, and after that we will get into the Q&As.
Let's talk now about the solution and scenario. Then we will see the demonstration about the solution and the integration between our document management system, Alfresco, with Signit. Before we start in this topic, let me introduce the Alfresco product. So Alfresco is a digital business platform is designed to help organizations manage their most important information efficiently and securely. So at the core of this platform is content supported by key component like process security, collaboration, and governance. So these elements work together to drive the process efficiency, improve employee productivity, and ensure the security of corporate assets. The platform also offers advanced features like analytics, AI, machine learning, intelligence, and search, or powerful search engine to provide valuable insights and controlled access to information. Alfresco is available where your organization operates. So we have Alfresco Cloud, a fully managed cloud services, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure for those who prefer hosting in the cloud, and on-premise for organizations that need to keep their data on their own infrastructure. So Alfresco is built on an open source core supported by a strong community, and this makes it easy to integrate and add new features using open standards and APIs. And you can customize the platform with various connectors and add-ons to meet your specific need. And the platform's architecture is modular, so that's meaning you can scale services separately for better performance. Also, Alfresco integrates smoothly with the cloud services, as I said, giving you flexibility in the deployment. You can choose on-premise, cloud, or hybrid setups depending on what works best for your organization. So this is Alfresco platform. Alfresco ensures that you can access the right information at the right time, whether you are in the office or on the move. This capability is essential for maintaining productivity and ensuring your team can work effectively, no matter where they are. And based on our knowledge and experience in digital transformation market, we recognized the urgent need to meet the demands of the Saudi market. So we collaborated with Signit to integrate the Alfresco Enterprise Content Management platform with Signit as electronic signature solution. So this idea has been successful, resulting in comprehensive system that serves organization in archiving and document management while offering many essential features for securely and effectively verifying documents. Additionally, it provides verification services that align with key market requirements such as SMS, WhatsApp, Nafad, and Upshare. So this integration allows user to sign documents stored in Alfresco directly through Signit, and making the process both efficient and secure. With this integration, you don't need to export document or switch between different platforms to get them signed. Everything can be managed within the same environment, ensuring a smooth workflow and reducing the risk of errors. And this slide, just we need to see how we integrate between both Signit and Alfresco. So in the left side, we have a digital signing process facilitated by Signit. Documents can be signed using various methods, including traditional signature fields, and can be authenticated through multiple channels like WhatsApp, SMS, or email. So the platform also supports advanced security, as we said, such as integration with national identity system like NAFAD for added authentication layer. On the right side, you see the integration with Alfresco, which connects with various enterprise applications such as Office 365, SAP, Oracle, and more. So this ensures the document once signed and authenticated through Signit are securely stored in Alfresco and making them accessible through your existing enterprise system. And this is the main goal of enterprise content management system like Alfresco, is to provide an organization with a central location where all documents are stored. And this allows us to capture documents from scanner or integrate them with organization existing line of business system, ensuring that documents are stored in one place without being duplicated across multiple systems. And this integration not only simplifies the document signing process, but also ensures that your documents remain with a secure and compliant environment from creation to storage. Okay, I would like to remind everyone that if you have any question, please leave them in the chat, and we will address them after we finish the demo. So now let's move on the live demo and explore the Alfresco and Signit solution. Let's start the demo by logging into the system. Here we have the login screen for Digination platform. As you can see, the interface is clean and straightforward, requiring just only a username and password. So let's go ahead and sign in. We have logged in. We are taken to a personal files section of the workplace. This is where users can easily manage their documents. As you can see, the interface is user-friendly, allowing for simple drag and drop uploads. So you can quickly organize files into different libraries, favorite or shared folder. So let's click on My Libraries. Okay, libraries are a great way to organize your documents based on projects, a department, or any other category that suits your needs. So each library, such accounting, human resources, IT, and marketing, is set up to manage documents specific to those areas. This allows for easy access and management of files related to each department. For example, if you are managing a human resources document, you simply navigate the human resource library. Similarly to the procurement and sales libraries, help manage document for those specific operation. Okay, let's select one of these libraries and explore the contents further. So now we are inside the accountant. Let's delete this one. And now we are inside the accounting library. So let's go ahead, upload the document to see how this works. I will check. I will just click on one of PDF here. So let's click for any PDF. Okay, this document files is related to a specific financial transaction, which could be anything from an invoice to a report. By clicking on the document, you will see a menu with several options. So you can share easily this document with other users or our team. So this is one of collaboration feature in Alfresco platform. We have also send to sign. This is particularly used for getting approvals or signatures on important document. We have download, view the documents, edit offline. So this lets you check out the document to edit offline. We can upload a new version, put this document on the favorite list, move, copy, delete. Here we have also manage versions, and this is helpful for tracking changes over time by managing different versions of the documents. We have edit aspects and permission, and to allow you to edit specific metadata or properties related to the document. So these options provide comprehensive control over document management, ensuring that all required actions can be performed directly from within the platform. Now let's quickly see how to request signature on a document. So now when you choose send to sign, this box pops up, and all you need to do is type the username or email of the person who need to sign the document. After that, just click on the request to sign button, and the system will send them a notification to review and sign the document. I will write my email. Okay, you can add users from your internal environment or add an external user by email, regardless if the organization email or Outlook, Yahoo, and others. So I will click here on the request to sign, and now I will receive an email notification by email indicating that I have received a document that requires my signature. So I will open my email and awaiting the notification here. Here we have received the notification by email. As you can see, it clearly states who is requesting the signature and provides a brief description of the document. As a recipient, I can easily click on Review Documents button to view and sign in the document right away. So I will click here. I can see now this screen with a clear visual of the document that need to be signed. The sign here button is highlighted, making it easy for the user to know exactly where they need to sign. To start the signing process, I need to click on Start Signing button, then review the document and sign on this place. So this user is presented with options for creating their signature. So they can either draw the signature like this, or type it, or upload an existing one. And here they can choose a preferred color for their signature, adding a professional touch. So once the signature is created, as I added here, the user can select the autofill all signature field option, which automatically place the signature in the required fields, ensuring a seamless signing process. Finally, I will check Insert Signature and click on the Finish, then send the document. So the document now signed with chosen signature style. In a few seconds, I will receive a new notification with the signed PDF file and the signature certificate. Let's wait to receive the new document or a new PDF. And once a document is signed, we can review the audit trail, and this audit trail provide a detailed records of the signing process, ensuring full transparency and compliance. So I will just refresh again. Okay, now I have received the document. You can download it from this button or open the PDF direct. So this is our document, and we can see here the audit trail, as I said. So as I said, audit trail is just for provides details about our tracking on the document. So at the top here, we see that the document is certified by Signit platform with the certificate issue by Trusted Certificate Authority. And the audit trail here, the audit trail includes crucial details such as document name, document ID, sender's informations, and date and time of creation. We have also badge, it's called completed, and this badge confirms that the signing process was successful and the document is securely signed. So at the same time, you will be able to see the same document as a second version in Alfresco attached to the original document as a numbered versions starting from 1.0. So the process is designed to be straightforward for internal and external users. Okay, let's dive into the Signit environment and take the role of the creator. So here we are on the Signit dashboard, central hub for managing all your documents and signature requests. So the interface is straightforward and user-friendly. So you can start by uploading document here with supporting for various file types like PDF, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. And on the left side, you will find navigation options include access to your document template, your content. You can also manage your account setting and API integration from here. At the bottom, you will see a quick summary of your document. So let's upload document. And let's move on setting up participants for the signing process. Here you can define who will sign the document. By default, it's set to I will sign it by myself only, but you can add more participants by clicking add new here. For each participant, you can assign a role like signer, approver, and a viewer, and you can also select a language, English or Arabic, and choose the sending method such as email, SMS, or WhatsApp. If needed, you can add yourself as a participant by selecting Add Me as a participant, ensuring you are part of workflow. And next, let's look at how you can select the verification method for participant. So I will click here and open the drop-down list. So as you can see, there are multiple options available depending on the level of security and convenience you need. So you can choose between SMS, WhatsApp, Abshir, and Nafad only, and Nafad with digital certificate for the highest level of verification. And by activating set workflow here, this option, by this option, we can specify the sequence in which participant will receive and assign the document. Okay, now let's click on next, and we have added our document and participant. So it's time to place the fields within the document. So on the left side of the screen, we have the signature fields. These are elements you will use to capture the signer's input on the document. So let's briefly go over for each one for all the items. So signature, this is where the signer will place their digital signature. We can put it in any place in the pages. We have also reservation signing, useful for scenario where a reserved space is needed for signature. Initial captures the signature initials, which is often required on multiple pages. Stamp if there is need for an official stamp, this field can be used. And signature date, this field record the date when the document is signed. So these fields are essential for ensuring that all required action are completed by the signer. So you can drag and drop this field directly into the document where they need to be filled out. You will also notice additional fields under signer information. These fields allow you to collect more details from the signer, such as name, email, title, company, checkbox, add radio button, text field. For selecting one option from a set of choices, we have date of field. We have also file attachment. If the signer needs to attach a file as a part of the document. So to use any of these fields, simply drag and drop them into the document wherever needed, just like the signature. Here also we can use a required field, so I can add the name, anything else, but I can click here to remove this field as a required option when I sign on the document. So I can change the style, position, duplicate also using duplicate or the delete field direct. So now I will click to next. Okay, here we can, this is the signer, the main the main signer here, and I can put anyone in this text field as a CC. We can change the subject. We can add messages, and here we can use advanced setting to add reminders and expiration for the signature. So I will click again on finish and send the document. As is, I will now receive the notification on my email and sign again on the document. So this was a demonstration of the integration between Alfresco platform and the Signit solution. I hope it was clear and understandable for all of you. Thank you very much for attending this meeting. And now we can, you can answer on your question. Thank you very much.
Okay, we have many questions. They're in the chat section if you'd like to answer some of the questions.
I will start with Talal then, Talal's questions. Talal asking if the signing support commercial registration for authorized person or authorized signer. So today we don't connect to the CR for authorized registration, but inshallah we are getting that live maybe within a quarter. What we can do today easily is if you have the authorized signer ID number, you can just enter that ID number into the Nafad option and send him directly the signature to the authorized only. And that you can verify that only the signer with that name will sign it, and you will get from Nafad, or we will get, and we will embed it into the signature, the official name of the signer. So that's the first question. I'm seeing two questions regarding promissory notes, especially promissory note on B2B. Just let me clarify, we are not a legal advisory, so we cannot answer any legal questions, but we will answer you from technical perspective and what we are seeing our client does. So we are seeing some of our clients using Signit today to sign promissory note, especially that NAFID today doesn't support multiple signers for promissory note and doesn't support B2B promissory note. They only support one-to-one promissory notes. So we are seeing some people using Signit with Nafad to sign that, but I'm not honestly sure of the legal validity. You have to validate that with your legal department.
And now,
There is a question from Banan. I already answered in written about the signing with Nafad and Abshir. When it will happen, the demo we showed today is signed through email. So the verification happening through email, just we want to make it easier. But usually whenever you receive the notification, if the sender sent it through Nafad, the first prompt you will get is verifying yourself through Nafad. The same things for Abshir. And if you wanted or if you are interested to see it further, you can contact us or our partner Digination, and we will show you a custom demo just for you. I believe the second one is for you, Mohammed.
Okay, how does Alfresco handle reading and extracting Arabic and English words? So Alfresco can handle reading and extracting Arabic and English words efficiently. So it's fully Unicode, support Unicode, which means it can store and manage text in multiple languages, including Arabic and English without any issue. So if you need extract text from a scanned document or images, Alfresco can integrate with OCR tool that support both Arabic and English, and this tool can convert images of text into machine readable formats.
So I will continue into the signing questions and notes. Thank you, Mr. Dr. Abdullah, for the note about the color. Actually, we got that request from our client that they need multiple colors. Keep in mind that Signit is not used only in Saudi, it's used internationally. And the law, it differentiates sometimes between one another. And in some entities, they prefer to use multiple colors like blue for certain people and different colors. So we support that, but of course you can use blue always if you want that. For Banan, another question regarding the email and the Nafad and Abshir. So for your information, how valid is the document? Every document coming from Signit is digitally sealed. That means we verify that this document never been changed. But the only question or obligation that you can get in the court, how I can verify the persona of the signers. And if you did it with Nafad, that is the absolute best way currently in Saudi. If you did it through email, it will be a weaker way. It will be called electronic signature, not digital signature. What you are seeing today, and again, you need to validate that with your legal department, that signer in internal signing, like you are signing internally with your own colleagues, sometimes, most of the time, they use the email only, while signing externally, if you are signing contracts, sales orders, this kind of stuff, they usually go through Abshir or Nafad. Another question, okay, regarding the on-prem and cloud deployment. So virtually, there is no difference between on-prem and cloud, but we have the on-prem as a feature. We have all the same features on on-prem and cloud. The only thing that people go to on-prem for is legality and compliance. So usually enterprises, government sectors, and legally binding entities choose on-prem for that. Cloud is the fastest option. So if you went to cloud, usually the platform, it's activated in the same day of contracting. The API, usually we get it up and running within a couple of weeks, while the on-prem usually take 1 to 3 months of deployment based on the client readiness and how many integration we do. To support all that process that we show you today, if you remember the architect I show you, we have more than 10 active integration. So for on-prem, we need to redo all that integration again to make all that services up and running. That for you, Mohammed.
Yes, so where have you implemented Alfresco system in the kingdom, and do you follow the policies and procedures of the National Center for Archives? So we have worked with many clients, especially in the government sector, on these solutions, since these policies were first implemented in the kingdom. And it may be difficult to mention their names here, but we are ready to share success stories with this type of client with you later, John.
Very good. So I'm seeing final question from Ahmed Al-Owa. He's asking about the validation of the signature internationally and saying that Abshar and Nafad is very good in Saudi. So exactly, Ahmed, what we are trying to build in Signit is one-stop shop, one platform to serve all your signature needs. So as we support the national signing in Saudi, we support the international signing. We are in the same level of the international player that you mentioned of legality and acceptance. The only thing that none of us have it is like a global Nafad. So Nafad is a very powerful platform that have a very nice identification method that we don't have something like that globally. So all the global players, us included, have mostly the email as verification method. What we did in Signit and even DocuSign that you mentioned don't have it is two-way authentication through the email and WhatsApp for verification. And legally, if you did two ways, it's stronger as an evidence than one-way authentication. So you can send an email to signer, then send him an OTP through WhatsApp to verify his identity. And that will raise the identity. And like I told you, even DocuSign doesn't have such signature. Thank you very much for attendance, everyone. And feel free to contact us and Digination back if you wanted any more further questions or even a special demo for you and your team.
Thank you very much. Thank you, William. Thank you all. Have a nice day.